Buzito wakosinga
kituufu sadda buzito. I don't know to be.
Anyway, mbara mwisa banange mwebale kubaawo. Ninze Simon Muyanga Lutaya mukwano gwa imwe nsanga kubabona. Nze buli lwemba ku NBS radio mbanga ali waka. I feel home because I am always here, I'm always home. I feel it's right to be here. And most importantly, fascinating to see abalenzi abatunga bano bamwesigwa nga bali progressinga. Era babayamba batemera mu bijja mu maiso onsi yaife.
Yes sir.
Sasa banange bwetu nabe bula mojo tufiirirwayo twafiirirwa dada baffe dada Nabwire azaala mwami Wilson Bezred na Mwizo Niyola Mukama emyaka 15 egy'obuweereza bwe gyatukuumye. Twebaza Katonda okumukuuma era tuli kujja okuziika bwemaliza wano ni mwesigwa.
Okay. Well, nsimye okubona feedback. You're looking better than last time. Okay.
Yeah, for it's been.
You're looking better than last time. Yes.
Hey. That's an honest opinion.
Yeah.
I'm looking better. I also feel it that I'm looking better.
Yeah.
The stress is reduced. Wankanulanga nakava mukamyufu ka NRM.
Kamwibagana. Kali kakwibagana omwibi omukulu na wangula.
Nani yaibani?
Balenzi basatu bayibagana.
Okay. Kali ke twayibaganamu amalira that period. So ng'omuntu you recover. The stress ekika ky'amasimu agankubirwa buti. Tina agankubirwa ngalule. Nagabizibu ndi hano omwana ikigere ibino bityo.
Nakuwagira kuva wayina
mukalulu. Ayenze. So buti saaga eno bankubira amasimu. One, you must have business. What do you want to trade with me? Because if you are calling me over a leadership related issue, I'll tell you I'm not the man in charge. The man in charge is A, B, C, D. Must bank with school fees. We have a VD parent who's yesterday. Nasibye ku Nakanyonyi Girls School. I spent 4 hours. Nga ndi kwogera ku n'abawala baife. Our girls. Era nasima Nakanyonyi Girls School. Omulimu gw'okuraisinga omwana omuwala bagugemye bulungi. I even learned what you did not tell me. Nakanyonyi Girls School yakabamba MP bana.
Yeah, sure.
And you did not tell me bankati Urenda Namukuta akikirabe Ekaliro yali ku Nakanyonyi Girls.
Sure.
Peace Tebyaze akikirabe Idinda yali ku Nakanyonyi Girls. Lwansa Sulasara Nakanyonyi Girls. Ne Manje Chwakutika Nakanyonyi Girls.
Sure.
And I'm like, what? One school producing 4 members of parliament in a span of 10 years. That was great. So I was there yesterday.
And Nakanyonyi is a sister school to Kirakoji Boutique.
Sister.
Bakolera walala.
But the foundations are different. But they work together.
I think so, what makes it a sister school, omutandisi w'essomero John Richard Isabiri is the longest serving head teacher of Kira College. So yawumula ekirozo kya mukandi mentoring abalenzi bangi butika nje ndire ku section y'abawala.
That was the vision.
Yes.
Actually, until you have said, but he was too much used to the boys' school. How did he get attraction into
passion
school? But I was impressed by the school. Era ndikwenda kubasaba nange basuga banange gye muli Nakanyonyi Girls School mujiwa abaana. Nze kiyimbisa by'okwagala omuntu nga yazimba ebizimbe bye kamaala. Azimbye okutumbula abaana bawala mu Busoga. And you are not there. Nga muzirayo jayo. Tibakutiisa nti eri essomero ery'ebbeeyi eritawogera n'abantu. Embeera yakyuka totya school fees de baliiko ba gyayo bayinonole oti bwentunda cabbage bwentunda amaido nimpeerera omwana ono aba niwaatuka because ekyantwaireyo kwabire kugabana n'abaana bano nti niba obanga wakula nga nze muyanga bwe nakula mu mbeera ey'obwavu yambala engaito dange edisooka mu senior 1 1993 nazaalibwa mukazi mulema Margaret Namukwaya. Nazaalibwa omusaadde yalinga omwenge habitual drinker alcoholic the chain smoker Peter Bosco Muyanga Basoga. Nakula mu mbeera ey'obutayambala ku lugoye lutaboneka bulungi all the time. You had all these challenges. Nabeera ku mu mbeera ey'okusula nga tolira emmere kumala naba ku mumbere yaba kubanga ku isoni fe bayeyereza bwe baleta ekyo kyogoba ba school fees defaulters. I don't wait to read my name. I simply get it because I know they have come for me. Despite all of that, today nife mogera ku nti muyanga na muboine mwesigwa twidi bantu bandemereza munjira kuona musako. To give me that say nsaba kula musaka and I'm like, oh, ninze mutabani wa namukwaya eyakola n'envunza mu bigere n'empale debituli muyango ebinike bikachuki. Is it me? And so that has taught me to be humble n'okuyamba abantu. So nabayireyo bankati mbu wasomesangayo oba osomesaayo.
So ndi head of public relations
owa nakanyonyi girls.
Era kyoli kololi ova kulima omulimo kulima lubimbi lwange.
Bina Vicente olukanga tomanye.
Nategeera buli kimu.
Wategeera.
Oli wano na. Oli mu report yange.
So wane buzabuza kwaloba kubaye.
Naye nze kuwa space.
No, it was.
Wanandibere osa tuwandishayinize.
No. What you know when the generals meet, general to general. A right general nganze and then a defunct one. The salutation changes.
From bastard to general. Kataba kawandikibwa General Igumba. Ayogera nti okuva ku muntu yazaalibwa ngo wa street okufuuka general w'amagye ow'amaanyi eino. Akataba ako ndiko nandu bakasome ka General Igumba
Baketa
kakoba nti from bastardship to generalship. Yakalo nti ya civil service bastardship to generalship. A bastard. Era kyogera ino
omwana ayo tyazira baba we tyazira concern
nsi ya leta.
Actually, that's what the word nsi ya leta. The Baganda also use mukoko asomba to mean the same thing. Either nsi ya leta oba mukoko asomba kuba bwaida tomana byaide nabyo. That's the story of General Igumba. We're actually supposed to be there yesterday.
And he's very humble.
Twaimente kuba ni Igumba tombi tuoge n'abaana bano. Unfortunately, there was some commitment. You need, how much is the book and where is it?
I need to find out. Esther Mirembe.
Esther Mirembe. Give me a copy. I need a copy. Will integrate Bay Yakuma and Kasasula. I need to read those stories. But what is important? Embozi daife mwetu bise.
Yes.
Tudikobere banaife.
But wandike na kukali tudiwandike
nzemba endowooza nti abantu ali mu mbeera mwena kulya baawaayo na mbaira Arua Kyoli West Nile naabo nakabiri abasinga okuba obubi than what I were. So we need to tell them stories of encouragement to move forward.
Well, ono mwenge
nekimu kuyumbye nabaendiko b'abaana bale baba wange Peter Muyanga yano omwenge ino yaguntamya tigunwangaku tirigunwa n'abaana bange mbalamira obutagunwa tienda kugunwa
n'okugwega
tienda kwega era nakubya abana nti nze sente bwe mbakubye nti kugula mwenge nsobola okugula okuva ku nchopa kaiguro erina gwesonyiwa. Why? Because namana kyendi kwenda. I knew what I wanted. Nti omwenge guyinza okunemesa otuukako ekyo kyenayenda abagunwe ogw'ebitiibwa yali ajja okunwesa omwe yali Joy Batambuze the late najja n'asiiba ewuwe olunaku lulamba yangabula ekiwulo ewe kyatali kugabula kuba yafwa bwe mala okulya yantera akantu ka giraasi akati kano kayamba ku digestion kasala omwiguto kombaku kali ka red was read something so nakomba emimiro ebiri nakanti but is this tiasula nti kali alcoholic because Joyce Batambuze yali mukyala Mother's Day akati kali muka alcohol alcoholic ayetinikale akabi. That was the end. Nakasigala mu glass.
Museveni ye bamutandikiza ku gundi baba muwa Guinness baba muwachi ogwo gukamba igamu yakati ebintu ke bikawa ino
era biwaira
tulwawa ya kumwenga hize
talibirira.
Well abatamivu atali bakaliro yonka wabusoga yonka
ni isn't twagutunda nga waka. Did I tell you that?
You said it.
Twagutunda nga waka ayenga
ayi mwatunda nga bigere
be twatundanga
ogwebikado
amalwa obungu emandule ya ogwo gutyo guva mu bikaadu n'oguva mu muwogo amalwa muhemba be sebe nga tiguboneka gabanga amalwa gabuyita obulo otubala ayoko nalyanga kumuuma nga nko gine giyujula ejo nga ginyonya ino era nga tutaka nakugimba bwibbi baba nga kati obaleke bali because they were sweet dada nga kati be yazo kumuuma yasibira te kuki kunani so we are protected from that one
kale awe tuli wene omwenge ba kusizira ku minister a local government ko bakulu wa government omwenge gunwebwe nga saa mwenda kujja mu maiso era mungene ndala bamyumyulemu abantu engejo bajjamu okubetinga tulina abasaada abakulu mu myaka nga avaaka ne 15 kuncho yadda ku kibanda ebasibira opapu okusiba yasiba egwolu ku myo gwe 2 no gwe 2 yalinda akobabe wakandi mutenga kwa madi ga kawunga nga yamani agakola agalina asobola okola emimeje bigano omwenge eri abatyama banwera nga etagula wawulira muyanka ali ku radio nga akugumika ndekamu enchupa mogolole alitage masente kuba itajagula mwenge sidisasule ono kaunta enchupa ya jinwa kusadi no mukaaga oba 5 kitundu yalinda kayo wundi so yaba tanwera kusawa wegugwira wagunwera that's true kandi be kitufu mutamire mwenda kujja maiso na revisitinze notice de twakolanga nga tukanga kuda mshelo P6 ni senior 1 senior 2 twasomera leisure mu CRE why do people take alcohol to forget problems
but do they actually forget
what happens
do they forget they don't forget omwenge you don't forget problems you simply get temporary relief because you lose yourself and therefore in losing yourself you think you have forgotten ayiro lukuwa guti oidukira ekizibu kyo kubanga waloni ali kubanda manerenda bwakuba ngotamire nanga kiboneka ono guliko akulinde oba wakasobalinga pia akwe you remember the problem omwenge scientifically tigwandi baire mubi ekibi kyagwo is the excess of it we have digestion and we studied that we have kuyambira the levels of it first of all it brings a lot of income to us government na sasa ile Bbaala you know nzo kwa ukana niwe nako okulimba abantu I know tibani ya Bbaala tesobola akola banga bokoti Bbaala igulenga osaga mwenda werabye nti Bbaala edindi diri ku Bbaala ni restaurant so tudingire omusana tuba tujire kuli amere abadingire igulo bano omwenge chokanizo kuingira okulya lunch na asabira echupa njinwere ku mwenge now
ife tunwera ku juice olanwera ku mwenge
banwera so the biggest if twasomesebwa abasaada abasazanga ebibalo ng'amala kugutaako ne yakola ino nze mwene ndi witness ku mugenzi Joseph Tamale mirundi mutabani wa Yohana mirundi ne mole
ndamako yayogera bulungi
bwe yamala nganga guwezeeku ng'ayogera buli kimu his information could not be rebutted nobody can refute it that was him
nile example ndi ya mukwano go deputy radisi
wow
1 kumulirana
ogwanta
yankoba ati andu wakati nwa mwenge muneda ku radio daima bona bagunwe ko baide bogere sense
agunwa kitufa agunwa ogwantange gwa wakano gwatambala emirundi kuba ogwantange walure gumubitamu wale gwamugizane dano ya tuvumanga agutaire ku yavu mazi yavu manina muiso bwe mwagane nchaka onsasire blazo ibye
ayiri weyogera mazima yakoba ndo wajwa zinga miyo byanswa eza kiriyo
so awu kuogeza that sense of discretion okoti kino tijida kuogera umuntu sa ekyo kubiri ntange bwana omwenge ayogera ino bomwagana mina kugema mukono okulamusa first of all tale kula mukono takugana kusimbula akola ki kuvwawo so enango jingi information yeba true ebintu enga abitegerona bili flowing ayano ezo mukono yakulobera okola ki
so eri omwenge ogubakozesa abaguno abakola ebirungi
Waliwo abagunwa basigaza kye beta self control. Somebody waliwo yayimba kati gwagala gunywa n'olekamu akanaalaba. Take, but when people like Paul Kafero, that whole career we celebrate, yagikolera ku mwenge. That's how we came up. Nze yamana Kafero omulamu, mwane Kafero ng'akali kuno mwenge. Ng'ensoni ali oti fumbo weriba. Twayidanga muno, twamukweka ng'ali kujja ku stage. Ng'ayenda ino muwogo, n'ebidandaali, n'embiidi. Mwasoka bwamubona nizokubirwa. Nga muli kulwanagana ni mukazi we, ayenda akutandika tonalya. Ayi ng'awona ng'akali kugunwa. Ensoni diba kwole. Ekigamba yogera kirala bw'abiko omuntu atayinda kugwembula. Amala ogutamu. Niyava mu ekirungi. So, tulina example d'abagunwire basigaza obwongo. Omwenge omubi n'ogw'abaana abali ewaife. Okuveera mu nsawo, okuveera mu kooti, muli kulumbe, yagunwa, yogera byatali kutegeera.
Edda yavuma buli muntu.
Kyenewuunya ennaku dino, tidi kye baagutaamu. Tigukaaniesa. Kali abaana wange omwenge baamya kunjira, baamya mu ngoye. Leero titera kukibona. Oba ono walagiye yalina control.
Bbaala diri kwa matooyi ino leero.
Ebbe. Kabiri omuntu yetamiva lojja mutooyi, batamiva banaala ino kujja bwakola ki ayo okunya kuno. Ole gwamu. Gwamulemanga yazira kati muti ono nga kumuzitoyigeku. Ekikendeire leero.
Twogere kuzaala. Abantu bazaala mbu baafunamu. Era omukulu ono alina project ye ali ku Cameroon. Ibanda alina project ye wano genda okubisaawo mu mayisaawo. Zaala eyo ekambuwaire. Era abantu bali kugizaana in all ways. Eriyo n'abagula ebyuma. Musimanyi bataamu kweine. Kyakula kyabungula kyakuwa sente. Kyuma tukuleka bino kacyamu ayi kyuma kibaawo ng'ojja mu bajeta kasino ya byuma ozanisa binusu mpapulo ekyuma kyakuvuddira oba na mukisa kyakuwa mbuwakomba wala gamereka tumumyule muku engeri okuzaana
onkoze bikubanga Ibanda ali gano ate Ibanda mukwano gwange kabiri wonkoti alimu ebyo ntiira ye nakazaana zaala in my life emirundi 3 zaala ow'ekisiru nayemerawo wansi amupaaka edinda nayemerako bali kuzaana enjeru terya wabula akamyufu by'okuvaawo ke bangemye mu nsawo sente maama naye yali adintumye
wazaana
kyazaana kulingawo kwemera mbona bakola ki
webazaana
baadindya baadisobola mu nsawo ye inuma nansala naja. The next time I played natamuku.
So the first time was passive.
So naba active. Era mwobo kanoli kanabo kabikuloti once chobonayo chowangula. Chobonayo bowangula ngotaku chotaku ngota so tamu. So naina nti wokabi bajoka bikula but bana bikula ku nti nsasuyire. I think it was like nusunga 2 na wangula 10 nga nkabiko yaka joko mo kutamu yokumo kubikula kubono. Bwawao ko bikuloti baba ngoti bubaawo nokakyuso linga kali ku million obo gitwaire abo bandibira wo kuwona navaawo omulundi ogundi gwe bandiba that's the 3rd time olwebye ekikulu ku beketeri oyo James ne yandibisa million 200. I lost 21 million shillings ku beketeri abaleeta ekintu nga kyeta D9 club. Ati boyigulawo buli account gyoyigulawo eba ya million 7. Ayi buli wiki ekuleeta million ndala. So njo okuwala munga wentale million 7. Omwezi mba ne million 10. Ngeina ntola ku capital wen 7 yasigalawo. So lokenda okufuna sente eddagalala. Najigulawo account 3. Ya million 200 na ndala. Mwana we okumanya abantu bano bazibu. Wiki eyasooka
walya
kwa account 3 bampe million yes
3 akota uga igambu ingire
uchabisima bingema
ulugula bagaiga
ningire nindo ololo okutano wiki yayirako nakubiraho nale kubekita nakanti muna ngati batayire kute sente bawo seri wiki bane bali kutereria katono mu system namwagana bali mu office of Victoria University batemulungi bantu bategevu yina nga nibyalimu nakati obona yali MP former alimu bino biri credible so nabita wiki eyo ati ayo basasule wiki eyo baizagi sasula jona nakati kuti wiki eno milioni dange 3 wiki eraku dira kuba mukaga omwezi okuba budget amaze odi ekyaba wiki eyo okusatu ngetusi the Bank of Uganda has directed the immediate closure of D9 club okira mu that police eri kunonya benebyo paka n'olwaliro omusale gwe bayitanga smart yali Kampala I lost 21 million aye ngandi toyire mu loan natola ku manelenda ntemu mfune musasule zena nsigaze era najyo okunzika nga poloti yange muidinda muno nene yali 10 ku 10 ni very prime location eyampa sente aditwaire kala ayenda okubetinga go and try aye pima level mo betingira wasende kati kante ye 5 bwe bisuika otitamu ayo koti yekikome ekinonereze yokoma okutamu
abana nga batera omutushoni
no ezira muntu akulima nti wale omuntu akolere yo sente
yayenda okudigabira
nga bya time mwide mudigangule nga yuti wakoze that's absolutely rubbish you cannot so
well mukwano gwo Bbaala
barugahara omuntu aleko ni mukwano gwange tyote obamba ita ekiriga
Piero you
atuko Piero kitaiza nti mukwano gwange
ekyo timuli mu kinu kirala
ekyaki
age bracket
Bbaala yali mukwano yali mukama wange nakolera ku radio yokumala mwaka mulamba radio 4
sure
twakoma mu Piero you titula musagana yakuwa bya Piero you chendi nti wandagana yogera olusoga kwasomana na musagani that's so
gwe muyanga okuba kimuna
wichi tuogera era ayogera olusoga lweno za kutankana oyo ni abe muchibi na antu bendi dinti you may think they are basoga other than that Bbaala is not my friend but he is a leader in my party the Patriotic League of Uganda omuntu gwenta mukwano gwange na amalo omwezi ngapuliza yankubira kwa akasimu
olioti abijja
awuli ati yanga afirirwa yakali muna antale ko emitwale bikwa jembaire najjo oya ngaidi ebinfwa
wena wamutera ku
is with my friend ngati mwesi ngati is my friend because mwesi bwobona chenkoze ekirungi ombe akamesi wakati kyo kigemyeyo bwe nkola ekibi wena kajenga ati be awumunosereire so niwe naidanga mukalu
lako byati entertainment ende
itwali mukalu na akobwe mupi nakandi muno wagira bwire tompagira bakoti zezira gwe mpagira bwire timowagira na gurobe ndi muwagira ni gundi timowagira aitwaji okunzika nga wagira gurobe
oko when ombayiriza utazo body back kale awe tuli so Bbaala muona jireka bingagania
abantu
government of course attorney general yavayo I mean office ya IGG akali mutulesewo bife bene chikwekweto choliko we are surfacing nowhere mu chikwekweto vice president yakati walikatusasuza sente ningi bakuno botambula nabo last week the other week yali kuna bakulembeze 05 RDC yabakubya the question is mukulwanisa obuli ake nobukemuzi do we need to balamize or namerize the campaign erwaniso obuli ake nobukemuzi meaning to voice method ya iwekola
enkola ya Bbaala ni mchara na mere kubuli aina obwongo obutono abananga ekyenguzi kiwoye
kairemu buli aina ki
buli aina obwongo obutono akati finally ekyenguzi Bbaala mwakimaze
pedestrian reasoning oba wakubanengalo
oko byekigambo ekituufu na bantu abalina obwongo obulowooza okuswika ku byobwoine critical thinking critical analysis ekintu kyebeeta enguzi wano mu Uganda kinene kizito kigemu n'okusinga enjiri ya Yesu Kristo
walimako
emirundi kamaala
okulima oidi okulimako walimanga tuzikira isubi olukwenda okumala ku line mango
very good edada yakati oire yenyuma olukusendanga kugata oire yenyuma
oso okulima line 10 ngayo ziki
very good
yaba yali 500 ayenga ayem n'obusubi obuli kukaduma niwe bandala enga
era enkole ne yandegeso nzo abantu wenimi bwotuko inzolozo oti wano nambalewo mama yandegeso okukunkumula waleka eno seri mujeyi yabweye nibwe bangalubairo
so enima ya Bbaala muneeriwa
enima ya Bbaala munere yokusendera kubanga first of all mwesigwa iwatisi wewe journalist bwe bayida ne bakola ati DEO weide ndaba mugemye yabulanga ne milioni 15 nze muyanga ku experience yange mu local government ku milioni 5 kuba kuliku DPC aba yafunaku disaba yafunaku bagisogiso no babafunaku RDC babafunaku abo bonabona oidinga RDC mulala gentedda kwatula lina yanka ati muna koba ku mukwano gwo edi ntero kwogera amaze ka televiziyo nakanti koba ku mukwano gwo kulaba David Sabiri owe butaleja ti mukwano gwo konse musomesa wanga ti mukobeku oti ya mu office ya baba we bwatefwe kwa edda kuvwamu ngaalinga bwe yajja anara disi ngali kunkoba ngwe nankati shia mpala kati kulaba oyo mubona bamwete ku mikolo ngara disi
yasindika
deputy bamuwe basa mbu kulaba David Sabiri bamuwe sente basa je bamuwa yabuuza bamuwa era ati tino mumpere dachi ati amukamwanga amafuta ati Museveni yampa omulimu tiyamanaka anampanga amafuta yadiroba yakati akalubiriza bakola nabo oli mukoza amutya ati bwomuwa sente adiroba nibo omuwa alawe sike wakashopu ewoyire sente adikola ki kale mulabule kuwali muina dakuvwawo awunzike ngabo yajja ontegere bulungi mwesigo somebody told me that so nkobere gwe yankoba kulaba Isabiri bwonigiza ndakoba ne yankoba another this telling me that tell your brother the RDC of Butaleja yebisenga Uganda bweri
RDC yamkoba yali musoga muganda mugwere mucholi
anti kucholi kola you are an investigative journalist but I am older than you wentaliko okutembera ku odakufuna
busembeleze kabira
yali RDC chote ko yanti yali RDC
ni kubamu ku RDC abagaiga oba abavumu
RDC
alina moito
okay RDC abakuyikuyi check your list yangati koba kumwino
kulina wano nga batano
ngera bwe twalinga no ekizibu nina nkani ono Kirunda Faruku wenda omwizi tibane bamala okumanya nti oyo ye todaga kumukoba ebyo yanotawe talia talia
okwidambo olikwenda ku mubitamu noti
talia so abalinga batyo kabiri ojjo okulya n'abandika ati muna Katonda atuyambye tufuniye ku mwesigwa nimu yanga bataliyanguzi kabiri bakuvuma mbuvumeni wofuka ekivumo uchi mu public kata imu yange panga lyomaze mawulire muno dala yabakozira kukwera bahino ngaba akote muna bye batola mu mbitya ati oiza kufu otyo ndozo liko yakulanga
ngire ekiri wa dada wange owo kubala yo munu nga ikwenda kujja kuno nayo munu
dada
kiriyo dada wange
turakogera ku ino
bisiga gaba dada bange bisiga gaba dada bange
dada
sewo jange kiri kutwala munu mudakubira awo kwenda recommendation nisiginichi
ekyo nkiko abantu buliddo iweni okobye dadawo ayenze mba kuba buliddo ti bwowuna koje wakadaga koina afunayo sente todifuna wabula bwowuna kokobye kadaga oti omwana bamugobi ndikwena no waliwo omulimu takulinda kuvwa ng'ensonga tagimaze era kiringa nti kisobola okulwanisa enguzi mu bantu abandi kabiri abamanire Rebecca bamwenda ino odonya kati bonaawo talya yena bwafuna gafunina talya ano kulevwe nalya kulevwere nakati kandogere kujendedde you cannot involve Kadaga in corruption scandals and you cannot go to her to pick money ebyokutolatula ku bicho so people know that mu bantu abawansi butinge ewaife ebula moji nifa abavuga ebidduka nifo twegaire wa traffic yoti muzeyi kwata kanonde kule aba taxi traffic olumwemereza olufuluma nti okubaleka aje inuma akuba conductor mpawo 10
ulira kandu kano
but if I'm part of that corruption I defend it
abantu bandi bakwa bati
corruption is not bad. Corruption is only bad if I'm not involved. Yes. But if I'm
ulira kantu abantu abandi bakoba wali ulira kwe Kaliro
ewaisu
Kaliro iganga idinda buli muntu atukoba nti tyafuna mulimu omuntu akati bandiba Service Commission yandiba n'ataafuna mulimu agufunye kawere obukaire ku mutatu
tayogera tawaya kituufu
ono kyaligezaako okuba basirikati batukobera bufune omalove okowe tibana nataye 10
oiringa nalumba ku chairman yagaba emirimu Ekaliro nze mwene point bula kanti bakoba atimbu mutundisi abantu amataka lyokubaha emirimu
koye
suubi yankati muna bakolera mulina lyaifa yenze nganzi tikibonangako era muna mwami Mwesigwa ni wotera okundogeza abana mojo okumala emyaka ndoza buti 15 bankuba kwesimba ku bwa chairman bwa LC5 na aloba ayo olwena kujendi kuwulira mu bantu ngi bantu yebatunda amataka okwidogula emirimu
atawajja kuba vacant
ninza ogemu bw'ekinegenege nesimba mu kifo ekyo just for one thing kuwonya abalamu okikubonaabona abantu bagula emirimu enguzi eri ebulamogi ndi kukukoba olw'obulumi bwe ndiko n'abalamogi babita mu kugula emirimu n'abandi babatako esente baloba kugifuna nsobola okuwayo okidde okwesimba ku bwakyamaani bwa Kaliro district lwa nsonga eyo kuwa kubalamogi myaka 5 egiza mu maziga agakukuta omuntu amukati omulimu wazira bwe guba guzirawo bwe guba guliwo bagumuwe mu merit nze ngabira abantu emirimu oniwa era kati kukwebaza ngati okunebaza ki iwambita mkonze no Katonda kyewabona nga nkukolera
so yenda bakuwe mu emyaka wire 5 nga kye
emyaka 5 ndi kugemu ekiniginigi ndi bwe bataleka enigiriza abantu bula njja kwesimba kwa chairman wa district kutaasa muntu oyo maybe nsooke entereze waka mu idiro male enkobe nti buti munsindika mu kisenge era because it is too much
kale awo tuli eyo story mujuwulira biti story gyakola amawulire mu Uganda yona Sir Simon Myanga Lutaya declares his bid for chairman LC5.
I have not declared I've declared an intention too, and this intention is conditioned.
But by 2031 I believe Mr. Kagoda would be signing out.
Who to sign now? Kagoda to sign now?
Peacefully.
Wait.
He has done his part.
No, Ani are signing out mu Uganda. Ani are signing. Ojakwa Kagoda signing out totoira mu kwesimba nga Museveni yakesimba. Because Museveni is coming back in 2031. We already have in the ballot. Effectively managing that transition. Yes. We have President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni on the ballot of 2031.
The son is now 52.
That's okay.
By 2031, you'll be 57.
Yes.
That's no, okay. Actually, you are tweeting up here, Kovanti. My father became a president in the 40s.
Yes.
I am 50.
Yes, it's 50.
It is my time.
Yamala yatukuba mwene mutwide yakati nze bana abansuubira muti ndi kuyida mutansuubira maybe Uncle Sale oba osoma mu byoye yakati maybe okaidukira ati maybe Uncle Sale so nze Simon Myanga tayakalu kange ko president aka 2031 Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tienda kweru nani tienda kunoonya
omwana omuyizi abachi
abamuyizi
omwana wa jena abachi
abajenera
so
mwana
lwaki nkyogere nti eriyo debate yabaye abantu bakwogera nakanti bana nana Uganda section of small Uganda zabaye bakwa nti Sanda has tilekero training ana Uganda abava mu first family chovanenze okubuuza
abo bati nababona
Mwami 7 took his son to Sandhurst.
Yes.
Royal Military Academy, Bungereza.
Yes.
Because he's a president and he has capacity. Now the grandchild recently graduated as officer cadet from the same school. Chova nkubuuziza nti omwana ow'omwawulo Luisi yena akula yabamwawulo yafuka na bishop.
Era okoba otya omwana we ow'omwawule. Oti mwana gambe tosoma ng'obwawule how do you ngakati kubwaku bwoine abwegome watafuuka mwawule how so nze kyamutawani wa Museveni baidukulu okusoma amaje it is okay. The issue is one, we make a professional army. Ti maje g'abakozi babibi ku kyalo maje g'abasomi nga bendesha and they will serve, provided they are aware that at one time they will serve under government led not by their own. But for me that's okay. So
corruption in Uganda is systematic and won't be handled by Balaam and Balaam way.
As a chasola akola.
The whole procurement process needs to be overhauled. PPDA needs to be strengthened. Regards to Sir Simon and Sir Grace Mwesigwa, Joshua Mutengo.
Oyali mu amagezi. Kubanga ndikwenda kola Mwesigwa. Oli bana bali kunonereza ku nguzi y'abaali ya sente dengudo. Kusega Mpigi Expressway. Ati baali yesenda government baadiba. Obairo kini kabina abali kunonereza bona. Kabiri bali kunonereza kuba abaguzi bali kunonereza. This is how corrupt. Hard corruption.
That feeling kulamusa bali kuba kweri yakobye. Nti Balamu waroje na IGG kyoli kwamba okola ni kino. Balamu olikola nga kibuyaga. Oli kunkumusa emiyembe. IGG eri kulonda kunuluza. Okizagana ne allegation.
Yes. Odi abali kugiryamu. Kabiri abali corrupt. Bali kulumukira eri buli muntu gwe balowooza nti asobola okubayamba. Balamu obutabatuukako. Akati bali kubawa. They are paying bribes to be covered.
Jack New Vision. Akulamwisa. Kwena mukiza senior. It is fine to regulate the betting and alcohol consumption, but within the law. Because as of now, we don't have that law in fact. For clarity, I think we should not just work on letters as they are written by concerned ministers. Let them make the amendments in the constitution for future purposes and regulations.
The contradiction in regulating the betting, no. Government yeno, bano batiri abantu balowooza nga bwendowooza. Government ekola ekintu ati kibi yakitolako omusolo. Bana tituli kwenda buveera. Akati the President Museveni has launched a new factory in Namamve ejofulumya obuveera. How do you launch what you think will be dangerous? Right. Omusolo gwa betting duzi bagwongeza. Era Uganda Revenue Authority ekimu ku bintu byali kusubira osolozaamu ino sente mu misolo omwaka guno ni betting companies n'omwenge.
Lita bajongera ku sente.
So oli kugusuubira ogusolozaamu walobera abagunwa. Kasita oleta economy ng'okoti it is liberal economy. That's where you have.
To double standards.
Because you have allowed anybody to trade in what they want to trade for as long as.
Greetings to my GP teacher, Sir Simon Miyangaltaya, Chris Wabwire, no flag bearer Bzaaya.
Namusomesa. Chris Wabwire. Namusomesa. Ntibe nasomesa bakobe. Senda bankubirenga ku Massimo mbamane n'ekisooka. Ababitamu senda babe ku byo bayize n'enkana.
Pose twali niwe nga doctor na website somesa enkana.
Nkana.
Sir Grace Mwesigwa, thank you so much for hosting Sir Simon. We are following from Chibuku, Chaidi Sam.
Mbasugiri n'abantu baisu. Mwe ni kwa kubechi buku nga 5 gomwenda.
Kale.
Ndiye yo.
Sir Simon Miyangaltaya idakulira next week. Atwera mu kuwaya wano naye. Ugezigezo lokwebuzabuza tumaze kuti amatu abantu yakwaya. Sibula abantu.
Tudakuva kuba buli kisera nenda. Ayi mwenda ndoza Balamu n'aba bagememu. Yakoba Balamu bwana amaliza byali ikola.
Wedinga ni musalo ni sade no. Abantu batuka ngola kwenda abakozi bongera mu speed.
Balamu ali kwida. Ndi kwenda kusawa ndi kwandika Balamu yena ide ku mweni BS. Ikuba timonsa sula. Balamu ide kuwa. Timonsa sula. Bantu bambuza mbona nga tokaboneka mwensi nebya ikonzi tibansa sula.
So enda Balamu ide.
Aida abakobe ku monsa sula.
Kale.
Yes.
We bale kwida.
Yes.
Buto ja kwida ku biru yange.
Niwona nsasula. Nsasula because ati mayirevo bana munsubizachi. Hati ntiyo ine muyanga bakuwa platform wakole neri nalinga sachi nzaira abana.
Sir Simon Muyanga njo ntambwe naye. Joshua lehize sabi. Gemo muzindalo guno.
Abatulu bona balaba.
Joshua gemo muzindalo guno.
Atandike.
Gemo muzindalo kusokola nyemu. Wewaho bofunie kukuli. Joshua.
Mwami Muyanga nzokusinzira bwenakubona toka ali muvubuka. Engeri yonirire mu musala gabakuwa obofuna bukaire mukaga.
Nagano.
Ni kyonga kiri kunira kityo.
Buita na mpere. Buita.
Joshua, lamisa ku bantu.
Mbala musampere zerungiere.
Ekigamba no abafuniye ku chachi. Mu achievements abafuniye ku muchi.
Mukama yebazibwe.
Amen. No ofune kigamba kyatambeko.
Kigamba kyatambeko.
Omalanga chikutisa bwa kasijiruwaya. Kyanirira.
Kigamba kyatambeko siruwaya.